afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And on behalf of your United States Air Force, the Commander, and the entire service members of Air Combat Command, we welcome you once again to the Coastal Carolina Air Show. I'm Air Force Master Sergeant Jeff Vernon from Madison, North Carolina, here with our safety observer and combat-ready fighter pilot, Captain Matt McCoat from Camp May, New Jersey. As members of Air Combat Command's 20th Fighter Wing, located at Shaw Air Force Base in Sumter, South Carolina, it's my pleasure to describe for you a capability flight demonstration by the world's premier multi-role fighter, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, affectionately known as the Viper. The Viper's mission is to provide air-to-air and air-to-ground superiority. It supports all branches of the armed forces and our allies to freely operate in today's joint fight. Since 9/11, the United States Air Force has provided over 681,000 air missions in support of combat operations. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major Ryan Corrigan from Prattville, Alabama. Major Corrigan is a veteran pilot with more than 2,500 hours in jet aircraft and combat experience supporting Operation Iraqi Freedom. Launching Major Corrigan is Staff Sergeant Victor Alvarez and Senior Airman Eric Sandberg, both from San Diego, California. Our camera operator in today's demonstration is Staff Sergeant John Crow from Columbia, South Carolina. The F-16 has been a part of the United States Air Force since 1979, assigned to our active duty Air National Guard and Reserve forces, as well as the air forces of many allied nations. The Viper pioneers fly-by-wire technology, which instead of a traditional control system, uses a side stick controller to relay extremely accurate inputs from the pilot to the flight control computer, enabling the F-16 to instantaneously achieve maximum performance. Keeping the F-16 on the cutting edge is a helmet-mounted cueing system, which enables our pilots to lock weapons by simply turning their head toward the enemy target. These jets also include a data link communication system, allowing pilots to exchange secure information with airborne controllers, ground troops, and other allied forces. With this system, the battlefield information is displayed on the pilot's visor, keeping his eyes in the fight, providing a first look, first shot capability. Anyways configured, the F-16 enables Air Combat Command to provide 65% of the combat support needed in today's joint fight. During a ground attack mission, the Viper will carry bombs, missiles, and extra fuel. With a push of a button, the pilot can shed over 12,000 pounds, transforming it into the lethal air-to-air fighter you see here today. In this configuration, the F-16 weighs less than 25,000 pounds, coupled with the F-129 engine producing 30,000 pounds of thrust. This maneuverable fighter will actually accelerate in a vertical climb. Major Corrigan will now demonstrate the remarkable takeoff power by only taking off after a 1,000-foot roll. And now, it's my distinct privilege to give you Major Corrigan and your F-16 Fighting Falcon. Corrigan is now setting up now from the right, prepare to demonstrate the low altitude, high speed capability of the F-16. And as he passes show center, he'll be traveling over 650 miles per hour. Major Corrigan returns to show center. He'll accelerate rapidly and snap the Viper through 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating its remarkable maneuverability. And now from the left, it's Ryder in the triple. Dogfight, the ability to turn tight is crucial. Watch now from the right as Major Corrigan shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he'll think sharply and accelerate his aircraft into a tight turn, pressing his body into the seat with up to 9 times the force of normal gravity. In the full 360, the F-16 has a turn radius of less than 1,400 feet. That kind of performance which gives the F-16 its reputation as one of the most maneuverable fighters in the world today. Major Corrigan will now demonstrate the F-16's crisp handling characteristics as he performs a 4-point roll at show center. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from the left, it's the F-16 Fighting Falcon in the 4-point roll. And now, one more time from the right, it's Major Corrigan, rock and rolling the F-16 at speeds reaching 650 miles per hour. As Major Corrigan approaches the end of the runway, he will set up for a series of maneuvers which will demonstrate the F-16's ability to maneuver tight and stay unpredictable, a trait which helps the Viper survive against low altitude threats, then quickly transition from a horizontal flight into the vertical. And now from the left, it's the Falcon turn, followed by the Shark's Tooth. It's the F-16's fly-by-wire flight control system that allows the jet to draw such precise corners. Major Corrigan is slowing the Viper to prepare for its slow speed path. While the F-16 can fly at more than twice the speed of sound, slow speed controllability is just as important to those who fly. As he approaches show center, notice the aircraft's gray paint scheme. One is designed to make it more difficult to pick up visually in conditions ranging from bright sky to dull overcast. As Major Corrigan passes show center, he'll apply full afterburner and accelerate his aircraft into a near vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-to-weight ratio. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready as Ryder prepares to demonstrate the combination of the F-16's exceptional thrust and flight control system that makes the knife edge maneuver possible. And now from the left, the F-16 in the knife edge pass. Major Corrigan is now standing up to the right for a maximum performance climb with a series of aileron rolls. Watch now as he pulls back on the stick and goes from 300 feet to more than 3 miles. Ladies and gentlemen, Major Corrigan has begun his descent in preparation for the dedication pass. Major Corrigan and the rest of the F-16 demonstration team from the 20th Fighter Wing wish to dedicate this pass to those men and women from all branches of the U.S. Armed Forces and their families who are so bravely fighting today's joint fight. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this salute. And now, from behind and to our right, it's Major Corrigan in the dedication pass. Veterans in attendance today, and those who gave our lives while defending this great nation.